Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel WebTechie. So in this tutorial I am going to explain you about class selector. Friends, before proceeding to the next topic, please subscribe my channel, click on bell icon there and share my videos, like my videos, comment my videos and let us continue for the topic. Thank you. So I'm going to explain you how to use the class selector in CSS cascading style sheets. So friends, first of all, let me start writing a code here. Class selector can be applied for any HTML element and it is preceded by the full stop, that is a dot. So we are going to use that class selector now. But before that, I want to show you that how to and how to create a class selector and how to access in our HTML. So friends, this is my basic HTML code. I have HTML head, title, everything here, and I want to write something here, class selector. So I'm writing this class selector and I want to put this one under h1 tag. Let me use my h1 tag here and right, I just made, let me copy this. I'm putting here, you can see there is a class selector which is there under h1. This one I want to repeat it number of times. Second time here, third time, fourth time, fifth time. Okay, so 5 times I'm using this h1 tag. Friends, you all know that how to change this, how to apply a CSS properties for this h1 using tag or element selector. So, and for once again I'm explaining this. If you want to apply a CSS, we need to write style here and we have to write inside this h1 tag. I'm going to write it, and in this I'm going to write a bracket here, and in this I want to specify color here. Let me show you the color here, color red color. So here this is called a selector. In fact, in previous tutorials I explained you, but once again just I'm reminding with us. So this is the h1 and here it is a color property is red color, and here we are applying one element that is called h1. It is a tag selector here. Now h1 is repeated almost 5 times here. Now when I save this file, I am going to save this, command s or control s, and I want to check it. I want to show you in the output. I am going to open this file. This is a file here. Friends, you can see here there is a web page with h1, 5 h1s are there, and we got a red color here. But I don't want that red color. I want to change that color. So we all know that you can change it. Yes, instead of red color, I can use green color. And when I refresh it, when I reload it, you are getting a green color. So friends, till here there is no problem at all. So we are able to apply a red color, we are able to apply a green color. But my intention is I want to change the color of the only one H1 here. We have 5 H1s are here, but I have only one H1. So what we are doing is we are using a element selector or a tag selector here. We are using a tag here. This is called a selector and these are called the properties. And when I say h1 here, wherever h1 is there, wherever h1 is occurs, there it is going to apply all these properties. But what my intention is, I want to change only these properties. Here already green color I have given, everywhere it is green color. But for the first h1, I want to change the color to the red color. So with this tag selector, it is not possible. So then we have to use, friends, we have to use something called a class selector. What is a class selector and how to define a class selector and how to access that class selector inside the HTML. Now I am going to explain here. Friends, please watch this tutorial till the end of this video. So let me explain you how to write class selector here. So class selector, if you can see this in the CSS, a class selector is a name preceded by a full stop. Normally full stop we'll use, that is a dot. So it is preceded by the name, means we have to define a class selector like this. We have to use dot and we can give any name. For example, I want to give it test. So let me increase the size here. So we have to start with the dot and some name here, that is a class, and afterwards you can use this brackets there, like which we used it for our tag selector also, like you can see this. And you can specify whatever property you want it. Say I want to add color, say orange, I want to use it, you can use it, semicolon. This is fine, we are able to define a class selector here. But where it is going to apply, for which element it is going to apply, is it going to apply for h1, is it going to apply for a paragraph, is it going to apply for any other element? It is not going to apply anywhere. So we defined a class. After defining a class, we have to access the class. So how to access the class? For example, you want to access it for the paragraph. We have a p tag in your HTML code. Let me increase the size of this. So we have a p tag, and inside this tag, as an attribute, we have to call the class. So here we have to write class equals to, and class name you have to define it. So I am going to write it test, because that is a class name. So I defined the class name with a dot, and I have specified the properties here. Any properties, all the properties which we discussed in previous videos, we can use it. And here I am calling it class equals to test. So whatever properties you are defining it, this will be applied for this element only. So similar way, we'll go to our web page which we created just now. So we have this h1 here. So this is the output which we written just now. We have 5 h1s, and you can see there is a green color here. The green color you are getting it because we written like this, h1 tag selector here, and there is a property green color. But what I am asking is here, first h1 should be different. I want a red color here. So as I said just now, you can define a class selector like this. You can give any name, and you can give the properties like this, and you can call the class like this. A name is preceded by the full stop here. We are going to create a class now in our program here. Already tag selector is there, let it be there, and I want to create a one class. So I want to say txt. You can give any name, it's better. Avoid that HTML tag names, you give some other names so that there will be no confusion. I'm giving it as txt, and I want to give color, and here red. So in h1 selector I gain green color. So wherever h1 is available, green color you are getting it. And in this my class, I defined red color here. Let me save this file once. Let me show you the output once. Is there any change here? There is no change. There should not be any change also, because h1 is applying, h1 properties are applying here. But I want to apply a class selector here. I want to apply class selector. Then once again I'll go to this code. We already defined a class. As I said, once you define a class, we have to call it. Where you want to call it? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So many h1s are there here. I want to call it here as an attribute class equals to and class name. So what is the class name there? That is txt. Now save this file and test it in your browser now. Perfect. Now we are able to change the color of the first h1. The next question, can we call this class for the last one also? Yes, you can call this class as many times as you want it. So we are able to call the class wherever you call the class, not only for h1. You can call this class for your paragraph also. I am going to call it for the last h1 here, class equals to, and I'll write it here txt. Now save this file and execute this in your browser. Now we can see there's a perfect class selector, we got it here. So here we have seen one problem in the beginning. When you take this tag selector, wherever the tag occurs, wherever the tag is repeating, the same properties we are able to apply it. But if you define a class and if you can access it, it is going to overwrite that h1 properties, that is a tag properties. So friends, this is how the classes can be used.